This is a certified hood classic.
Yo! YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? Hey, welcome back to the C Jones XL channel. If you seen the previous video on the channel, I was introducing the whip. As y'all can see, 2020 Supra, yada yada. We ain't gotta go over too much on it, because like I said, I already got a video listed on the channel, me getting a car. We ain't gotta get into all that. What we doing today, we about to slide out my man's crib, put his downpipe on. Now, for some reason, I don't know why they do it like this, because you would think, like, I know it's not a him, but like you would think the exhaust would be a little bit louder, and it's so quiet. So, got a downpipe from, where's that nigga name? Oh, I'm behind his glare. Got a downpipe from Facebook Marketplace. Shout out Facebook. I forgot what the nigga name was. Some nigga named Brian. Boom, got a downpipe from a nigga named Brian, and I think it was like 150. But this car needs it bad, as far as for the sound, performance. Because when you actually put that downpipe on this Catless, all that air that's being trapped in that catted downpipe can just flow right through, which means more noise, more power. Suck, pop, blow. Do your homework on what that means. So yeah, I ain't gonna lie. If you didn't watch the last video, I'm gonna get some res for you right now, because you can see how like quiet the car actually is. But like, it's gonna turn this car up 100,000%. It's in sport mode, by the way, which opens the valves. Hold on, that was kind of. That was actually way louder than I thought it was gonna be. I lied, but it's still not loud enough. So, especially like if I'll put some clips in me driving in a second. You're gonna see some clips, kitty clips. But yeah, we're gonna throw this downpipe on. So we're gonna slide to my boy's aunt's house real quick. Hopefully this don't take us more than like 3 hours. Hopefully. The car's hot right now. We've been driving it all day. So maybe 4 hours. Hopefully not though. It's not a super strenuous process. It's really just a YouTube video away. You know what I mean? I'm gonna really just pull up the video while I'm doing it. Hopefully he helps a little bit too. Hold on. Oh.
Told you.
Oh. Come on. Now, if you don't know, if you have a BMW or any type of Euro car, you need these jack pads, clamps, whatever they call. I don't know what they call. But on these European cars, where the actual jack stands go, to like jack it up on the side, you actually got to put these little things in that slot and take a little piece on there. You don't want to damage those, because it's actually kind of hard to replace them. Swing you to the back. Do your homework on these DoorDash storage bags. Got a front splitter. I don't even know where this is from. We got this Vivid Racing front splitter, because if you see in the last video, bring them over here. If you seen from the last video when I showed y'all the dog bite in the front, you got to swap that boy out. So we're gonna grab this jump to replace that jump, and it's gonna make a brand new jump. Let me throw this back in the whip, but yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all. I was gonna smack you. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get up back with y'all boys, man, when we get to my boy's crib and start this process. Hopefully, like I said, it'll take too long for the downpipe, but it's really gonna like wake this car up. And after that, it's gonna be MHD time. YouTube, what's good with y'all niggas, man? So boom, got the soup. Niggas at Ant crib. I put these downpipe on. Now my man's got the custom ramp. Do your homework on the custom ramp. Do your homework on the wood on top of the wood to make it to angularity to get that bitch on top of that. So my man's got a drift build. Do your homework on it. Good 35. I'm kind of scared, I ain't gonna lie, man. I think she might like scrape some shit.
I have faith.
You got faith in her?
I got faith.
Watch this one. I'm gonna
Tell her to slow down.
Oh, halt!
She good.
Come on.
Just go right a little bit.
Yep. Yep.
Is that one good?
I'm straight. Yeah, I'm easy. Yeah.
Alright, is yours about to touch?
Mine's touching right now.
Put it up against it. Is it up against it?
Let me see. I want you to come double check. Yeah, for sure.
Should be able to get up on that. You want to check? My jack's right there.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, where we on there? Yeah, we get to it. See, that's the thing. You ain't got your eye right now. Do your homework on that. Yeah, that works. Is it brighter?
Yes, it is brighter.
I told you, bro. Camera woman. Really?
Them headlamps fucking blind.
Yeah.
They're good. That's the ones I'll be using at work.
See, you had a jack point. Oh, I need to grab those little things.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you, bro. My garage is small as hell, but hey, I'll change the transmission in the garage. It could be done.
Did you get that?
I don't know.
You gotta do your homework on us being YouTube specialist.
Cool.
Yeah, we tried to.
Cool.
With no funnel.
So we just kind of like pour that bitch in there.
I got a long neck funnel. That shit's
scorching right now.
lifesaver.
I know that pipe gonna be on 10,000.
Oh, you gonna touch that?
I touched that hoe. Like you, well, that's the thing. The downpipe, it's only one. It's because single turbo. So the downpipe, move your cameraman. Downpipe's literally right there. Wiggle the actual like downpipe off itself. Take the gasket ring off that one. Put on the aftermarket one and then put it back on. It's not like super hard.
The best thing about a newer car too is the bolts ain't gonna be rusty
At all.
Right in the front, we're just gonna connect that to the bolt and with a 13mm socket.
13 mil. You got 13 mil?
Yeah.
That's my problem. I don't.
Tried to.
He doesn't. He throws everything in one bag.
Hey.
Straight to this one.
So go back down real quick. That V-band.
And there is a socket right in the front. We're just gonna connect that to the bolt and loosen this one.
It's about to be a hour process max. We clear?
Yeah. No.
You have to turn it all the way to the right.
I don't think it's cleared.
Yeah, we can't clear.
Can't clear?
No.
Nah. We gotta go to second hoe. Damn! Second ascent on the
You want to just back off of them and redo it?
and just go a little bit further back. Slick. Hell yeah.
Because you're going to get even closer now.
Yeah. That's straight.
That's what I would do. It's a little too close for comfort. You good?
Alright, my nigga. Yeah.
I have the jack extension, so it has a longer handle, but I kind of used it to roll my fenders, bro. Look. Hey, you got a lot of room now.
Let me slide this bitch out. Let me Alright. Light me. Twist that bitch to the right. Come on in. Yeah, I got it.
No diddy.
Nigga, no diddy.
Yeah, that's regular, even on before yet.
So boom, update where we at. We unclipped all the O2 sensors. Got the car completely off the floor. It's off. We got it on. 2 stands right now. So we're actually making progress. Surprisingly, I thought we were gonna drop the car.
But like, and there's the bolt, and the bolt is loose. Like, it can slide back and forth. You can't, because there's a bolt on this side. Like, right. I don't know if you can see.
So bam, now we got this V-band out.
All the way?
All right, update y'all boys, man. So, as y'all can see, flash on that bitch real quick, man. As y'all can, let's go and grab the loot, man. Grab it, this weak ass caddy hoe. Yeah. Up on the V-band. Nice. Just like that. Look how heavy that is. I got cat juice in there, man. Look how much lighter this one is. Where'd I put it up?
God. Hollow.
You said hollow, so I thinking of Xavier Wolf. Hollow.
Hollow squad.
Grab this gasket off. Do we need a liner? We need a little tool to get it out. We need a little tool. Put that liner out of that gasket. It's right there. Just put it in. See? You see where it goes in? It's the rim part. Or is it one piece?
Yeah, you're gonna need it.
Is it one piece?
It's in between the grooves.
There we go. There we go. Live that John. There we go. Gasket liner.
Tap it in there with the hammer.
Oh, that bitch in her first like this. That bitch snug.
Actually, no, you don't even need to
Yeah, I
tap
don't even think you need to tap
When
it.
you bolt it, it'll push it.
Yeah, it's on there. Haha, nice. Now, to get the actual O2 sensors off.
That's gonna be fun.
Now we need the actual like breaker.
Alright, we're gonna just do this. Don't wanna have to.
You hold it when you twist it down.
Alright.
There we go. Hammer method.
That one's so much slimmer. It's gonna be so much easier.
Yeah.
You have a little burble.
Bam! Wait, this bitch is gonna pop.
It's gonna go.
You said I'm what?
Lengthy.
Say it again.
Lengthy.
What do you mean by that?
You said I was lengthy. In what way? End game. 9:15. I don't know what time we started at. So it took us about 3.5 hours. So yeah, bro. Meet y'all boys up when we get to this cold start. Not cold start. Shit, me damn near might be cold. When we get to this first start with no cats. I'm so excited to hear this. All right, y'all boys on me. We got the car on the ground. Let's see what it sounds like. Yo! Yeah, we did it. What did we just do? Hey, what did we just do? Bro. Just baby revs. Give me some more. Yeah, we're in trouble. Bagging it up. You're good. You're good. Hey, you can definitely hear the turbo. Wait. Yeah, we did it, bro. We did the damn thing, hey. Shout out this nigga, man.
Beautiful day, bro.
Yo. Sounds like it's coming from under the car. Am I tweaking? Yeah, you're right.
A few moments later.
She slides.
Yo! Sounds like this. Left from behind.
It's behind us, baby. Why is it prancing like
Whose
that?
dog is that?
Whose dog is
Yo, whose dog is that? Yo, what are you doing, little dude? Bro, what
Oh,
is-
it's behind you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Look at my gas, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. This shit is cold as hell.
I cleaned it.
How long your car take to warm up?
15, 20 minutes.
Oh, hell no, never mind.
3 days later.
You said try this stuff, Crush? Well, listen. How about when I went... No, I'm joking.